Sabi.
Hey guys, what do you
Oh.
call you?
Coco na rin.
Coco.
Hindi ko na alam tawag.
Coco na lang. Coco na lang.
Okay. So, anong plano ba today?
Actually, I'm my mom. Coco,
Huh?
you look like my mom. Yeah?
I look like...
A little bit more, right?
Diba, when we make up, we look like each other. But we don't. We look different. No?
No, you will look more alike.
Ha? We look...
Wow, that's good. Ate ko sa mga kulay.
Nag-iisip na ako.
Let's
Pray
do it
ko muna.
together.
Sabi ko, sige. Para...
Ako roots lang para mabilis.
Sabihin mo lang ang gusto mo. And then, okay? And you too. So,
Oh, you look like, ay, nagpuka daw tayo.
Gilig-gilig siya. Okay. Okay, tuloy mo yan, Ching, ha? Hindi ka kumukha.
Just wait
Okay,
here.
si Coco, let's ikaw, magde-dentist ka rin?
Yes, tapos na.
Okay. Yan, si Dr. Ino. Say hi. Private lang.
Here in need service sa Magnolia. Pero sa ibang dentist mo.
Naiba kayo sa ibang dentist. Kaya pala.
I think you're referring to the lateral incisors kasi sa likod na tumutubo yung permanent eh. So every now and then.
Can you just check to see if wala nang, like, nagawa na ng cavity?
Okay? That's okay?
She's my vlogger.
Para may remembrance ka. Ha?
This is just photo.
Mama, do you know what her
Now na? Kasi now na? Pwede na ice cream? Show your teeth.
So she's biting on gauze first.
Ay, hindi pa pala.
Kita mo
Ah,
si.
smile. Smile saglit. Tinatagulugan ko.
English na eh. Barok na si Ate.
Barok na, hindi pa naman. Thank you, thank you. Okay.
Tama may ice cream dito.
Ice cream. Saan mo suggest ice cream, Doc?
Ano ba ice cream dito?
Sa baba
DQ. It's in the food court. DQ. That's all.
Ay, dala.
Mababaw lang
Oo nga po,
pala.
eh.
Ang galing mo ha.
Thank you.
Okay, tara. Ice cream muna. Ice cream, let's go. Sa mga kasama. And next stop, we go to... Yan, pwede sa yata? Ilaw. We're going to Ilaw or Iyaw-Yaw. This one. Something. Also, remember, we have told you and Auntie Jamie. Do you remember Auntie Jamie? Yeah. Do you remember Auntie Jamie, my daughter? Yan. She is your eldest cousin. How old is she? She's 22 years old. And then Kodyo, my husband. Okay? Hi! Hi, celebrate. Okay, let's go. Ito na nga, ayan na. bata ako. Sa Divisoria lang kami ni Anya mo. Sabi ni Papa. Oh, bunot. Nandun kami sa, sa Ilaya ba yun? Ang saya-saya ko. Tapos yung sa Bilao, 5 pesos lang yung laruan. Masaya na kami. Oy, oh what? Si Kotyo at si Jamie.
Tatapon ko lang to ah.
Sige lang. Kasi they have different color. What does it mean? Make super cute nano creation. Oh, different. Look, oh. See the picture? Okay, go. Yes, you can. Yeah, we'll buy scissors. Okay?
Hi, what is your name?
That's cute. Kung ginaya talaga. Uy, ang cute nito. Alam mo, bata ko. Yan ang gusto ko. Ah.
No. It's either that or this, Aubrey. That or this.
Ang ganda naman nito.
What?
This is what they got. Tawag dyan. Mini brand. Create. Nano. Magic. Di ko alam ano yan. Sila yung ano dyan. And Lego. Okay.
Let's go eat lunch.
Kaso naka-mask ako. Wait, I take off my mask. Oh. I'm the only one wearing mask. Very few not wearing mask. Okay.
Why are you wearing a mask?
Because for safety, for virus, you know, people get sick a lot when not wearing mask because others are not careful. They just cough around. You always be careful when you see it. And when someone's also sick, we protect them by wearing masks so that they won't also get sick. Want to go washroom?
No.
So it's the closest one. No. Smile. And then we turn like this. And then Coco will try to edit, but it will take long to finish it. What's happening here? There's something new here. Puto, picturean mo. Ako rin, gusto ko. Maya, picturean ko muna kayo. Buti. Okay lang? Wait. Nagkamali si Shobe sa kanina escalator. Muntik na dyan. Yan. So, here is the new place. Pag gusto nyo dito, yan, may time zone pa, Shobe. Nahanap muna tayo kung may konji.
There's crepe here.
Ha?
There's crepe here. You can have crepe, but it's the...
Don't worry. Yung bag lang, baka baka mawala. Sandali. Tell them what you like and Coco will Okay. Paki-assist na lang.
4 p.m. tayo mag-open.
This one is new. This one, I haven't seen this yet. This is new. Yes. Back here. Doon tayo sa loob.
Sit down kasi apat na kami.
Uy, kung ganyan.
Kung okay lang kasi then we can't sit together. Thank you, appreciate it. Thank you.
Yes, masarap dito.
Promise. Look how good. Oh my gosh. Sarap na.
Oo.
This yung Kyoto style, ma'am. Ribeye meat and Misuji meat. The marbling fat and tender meat na po.
Hindi, ito set na. Tama
Yes
ba?
po, with the meat. Then this one po is sukiyaki broth with glass noodles.
Sige. Back to Inari. May bilag na ako before dito.
Mall ba to? Parang ano, I like that. I like that.
Wala. Okay.